guys, do you ever feel like you are creating a ton of free content, whether that's blogs or podcasts or videos or just via social media, and you're wondering how it all leads to sales?
Or marketers have told you to give away value for free, and you're kind of a little bit confused about how this is actually going to generate you business and grow your business?
If so, then this video is for you. We're going to talk about how to generate more leads and sales from your free content in 4 simple ways. Are you ready, Pete?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Let's jump in. The first way to generate more leads and sales from your content is to use your free content to grow your email list.
We're big fans of email marketing, and we've talked about it a lot on this channel in the past because it's a great way to not only keep up that relationship and keep giving more value to people, but it's also the best way to start sales conversations.
So in your free content, either let people know how they can sign up for email updates or offer something of extra value in exchange for their email address.
For example, a few weeks ago, we did a video all about sales proposals and what to put in them, and we even offered a free download of a sales proposal template to go alongside the video.
That video went out on Tuesday, and by Friday, 5 of the people who had downloaded that template had converted and signed up to Atomic for a total of £2,850 from one free bit of content.
The beauty of doing this is that content is pretty much evergreen and can continue to bring in leads and sales forevermore.
Also, we can send sales emails to our list where if we were to be just salesy in our free content, like if we were to upload a video to this YouTube channel that just sold Atomic hard, chances are that video wouldn't do very well unless you want that video. If you do, then let us know in the comments if that would be interesting to you.
Or let us know in the comments if you would like a video talking through some of our strategies of how we turn email subscribers into sales without spamming the living daylights out of our email list. If you want to know that, put a comment in the comments.
That sounds like a much better video idea.
It does.
But until then, here's something that you can do with your list. Simply follow up with clickers. If we're sending out a ton of free content via email or via messenger bot or something like that, then we can start to find out who in our audience has what specific problems or what specific interests, and then we can follow up with those people.
For example, if you're in the nutrition industry and you send an email out inviting people to go look at a blog you wrote about how to eat healthy when you are super busy at work, and you know that you have a course all about that ready to go, you can follow up with those people that have clicked because you know they're interested. So send everybody that clicked a follow-up email, invite them to the course, give them a discount code with a deadline, or invite them to a webinar which upsells that course. You know these people are interested. They read your blog on it.
If you're selling higher value stuff, a cool thing that you can do is use tools like Bonjoro or Vidyard to send highly personalized videos to people to invite them to book on one-on-one calls with you based on what you know that they're interested in.
For example, a video that said, "Hey, I know you've read that video all about eating healthy at work when you're super busy. Wondered if you'd like to hop on a call and maybe I can give you some more tips
on how to read videos." That's what you said.
What? Hey, I know you've read that video.
Read that video. I know you read that video. This is a really cool idea, and we've done this, and it works really well. But what if you don't have an email list yet to actually sell to? Or what if you want to sell in the content itself? Well, we have a whole video over there about selling in social media posts, so go check that out. But what about like more meaty bits of content like blogs or podcasts or videos?
Well, a super easy thing you can do is to actually talk about your services and products in your content.
Here's a test for you. If someone was just to consume your free content, would they actually know what you do and how they can buy from you?
For a lot of businesses, the answer is simply no. So make sure in your actual content, you're talking about what you do, you're dropping in your service, your products, how they can potentially be of benefit, link to some of your sales pages, link to case studies, link to examples, all that kind of thing.
The purpose of content marketing is to build up trust and loyalty with potential customers, but those people need to know how to buy from you too. And with that in mind, we'd love you to check out Atomic. Oh yeah, that was smooth. That wasn't
Your
it,
voice
Pete?
went so high right then.
I really do want you to check out Atomic.
sure?
The
You
link
sound
is
like
in the
you're lying.
description. No, I really do want you to check it out.
All right, before we jump into the fourth way to We'd love you to subscribe to this channel using the big button below and hit that bell to get notified of a new video. Okay, the fourth way is to actually make sure your website is optimized for generating leads. A lot of the time our free content is on our website, and that's a great way to drive traffic back to our website.
But is your site actually optimized for generating leads? If you just have a contact us page and that's where you're trying to send people to, then the answer is no.
We have a whole video here about how to optimize your website to generate more leads, so definitely go check that out. Basically, you need to figure out how your website will start a sales conversation in a really easy way.
Do you have an easy way for people to either book in a meeting or download a price guide or register for a webinar or get a quote or talk to a chatbot or even just call you? Like, if you want people to call you, is your site even optimized for that? Like, how prominent is your phone number on your website if you want people to call you?
Here's the deal, guys. We can give away a ton of free content for as long as we want. But unless we're actually trying to generate leads and sales, unless we're being actually proactive with this, you could be waiting a long time before you start seeing sales from your content. So use these 4 things that we've said today and you will start to see more sales.
If you have any questions about any of this, then please do let us know in the comments.
He's been Andrew, I've been Pete. We'll see you next time. Bye.